As I went out walking one morning in May to view yonder mountains and valleys I strayed, I was thinking of the flowers all going to decay that bloom around your bonny, bonny sleeve gallant braes. I walked of a morn with my dog and my gun. I wandered those mountains for joy and for fun. But those days, they are all over, and I am going away. So farewell unto you, bonny, bonny sleeve gallant braes. I walked of an evening with the sun in the west. I roamed hand in hand with the one I love best. But the thoughts of you have vanished, and I am far away. So farewell unto your bonny, bonny sleeve gallant braes. It's not for the want of employment I'm going that causes the sons of old Ireland to roam, but the tax was getting higher, and we could no longer pay.